Hello friends, I am myself Sambhaji Patil from RC Patel Junior College Tekwade is presenting the unit 1.2 on saying please by the writer A.G. Gardiner. Now see icebreakers. In the ice breaking activity, the first activity is list the words of courtesy that we use in our daily life. Discuss them with your partner and explain the purpose of using each. Now, see one example is given for you, that is thank you. When we use thank you, when somebody has helped you, then you use the word excuse me, then again you use the word sorry when you commit mistake or doing something. You say welcome, excuse me please, etc. So complete this activity by saying such words as thank you, sorry, excuse me, please, etc. See the second activity. Listen below are the few characters, traits of people. Some are positive traits and while others are not. So tick the ones you feel are desirable. Means खाली जे 3 कॉलम दिलेले आहेत, कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक दिलेले आहेत, ते कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्समध्ये जी एक ह्युमन बिहेवियर आहे, कॅरेक्टर ट्रेट आहे, ते योग्य असेल तर टिक करा आणि अयोग्य असेल तर क्रॉस करा. तो बघा कॉनिविंग इज अ राईट, इनसेन्सिटिव्ह इज अ रॉंग, स्लाय दॅट इज स्लाय म्हणजे ज्याला आपण बदमाश म्हणतो, कावेबाज व्यक्ती म्हणतो, ते रॉंग आहे. ह्युमरस विनोदी बुद्धीचा व्यक्ती किंवा नेव भोळा व्यक्ती असेल किंवा बेनेवेलेंट असेल, दयाळू असेल तर राईट क्लिक करा. वाईज असेल, शहाणा असेल तर राईट क्लिक करा. इगोइस्टिक असेल, खूप अहंकारी असेल तर रॉंग क्लिक करा. रूड उद्धट असेल तर रॉंग करा. तर अशा पद्धतीने त्या बिहेवियरच्या याच्यानुसार आपल्याला राईट ऑर रॉंग म्हणायचं आहे की सो दॅट यू कॅन नो द डिफरंट काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल, डिफरंट मूड्स अँड देअर बिहेवियर्स. सो in this way we can say good behavior and good manners are very important. Now see the third activity. In the third activity there are some 6 situations given. So you have to choose appropriate and inappropriate the below given table, in the below given table. Now see the first activity. To receive phone calls while you are in the lecture or class. Is it an appropriate action or inappropriate action? If it is inappropriate action, put it in the inappropriate box. Is that clear to you? तर अशा प्रकारे 6च्या 6 ॲक्शन राईट की रॉंग म्हणजे ॲप्रोप्रिएट की इनॲप्रोप्रिएट या पद्धतीने तुम्ही लिहायचे आहेत. नाव अबाउट द पोएट आल्फ्रेड जॉर्ज गार्डिनर. हे जे कवी आहेत यांचा लाईफ स्पॅन आहे 1865 to 1946. He was born at Chelmsford in Essex in 1865. He started his literary career as a journalist. At the age of 37, he was appointed editor of the Daily News in London. Under the pseudonym pen name Alpha of the Plough, he made a regular contribution to the Daily News, the Manchester Evening News, etc. His essays are uniformly elegant, graceful, and humorous. The Pillars of the Society, Pebbles of the Shore are his popular essays. The present essay on saying please, he has pointed out the values of good manners and emphasized the importance of courtesy and politeness in daily life. How polite speech and manner sweeten the atmosphere around and in the manners or politeness. So this is all about A.G. Gardiner and his essay on saying please. So let us start the essay directly. See the essay. One day a liftman threw out a passenger because he said top instead of top please. He wanted to go to the top floor. Unknowingly he did not say please. Though it was his fault, the liftman should not have thrown him out of the lift. For this, the liftman was fined. He was wrong because Discourtesy is not a legal offense. There is no law against bad manners. We cannot beat a man if we do not like his behavior or looks or voice. If ill manners are physically punished, there will be bloodshed throughout the day. Law cannot control our private conduct. It cannot control our moods and manners. No law can compel us to say please or thank you. Yet, we should be polite in our behavior with others. The two expressions please and thank you are very important. They are like small coins. They are very necessary in social life. Without them, our daily life would lose much of sweetness. Bad manners poison our happiness more than all the crimes and put together. Yet law cannot take action against them. Bad manners are infectious. When we come across a rude man, we become gloomy and cheerless. Damages done are great. Pain of kick passes away, but the pain of the wound on our self respect poisons the whole day. Bad temper and bad manners are infectious. The liftman threw out a passenger because he was ill treated by his wife at the breakfast table. The passenger did not say please because his employer did not say to him good morning. In this way, bad manners spread like virus. Let us stop this. या निबंधात लेखकाने समाज जीवनात सभ्यतेने वागण्याचा महत्त्व सांगितलेले आहे. या स्टोरीमध्ये एक इन्सिडेंट आहे. एकदा एक लिफ्टमनला एका प्रवाशाने टॉप प्लेसच्या ऐवजी फक्त टॉप म्हटले. लिफ्टमनने त्याला लिफ्टच्या बाहेर फेकले. या घटनेत दोघेही चुकले, पण लिफ्टमॅन जरा जास्तच चुकला. उद्धटपणे वागण्यास मज्जाव करणारा कायदा नाही. कोणी उद्धटपणे वागल्याबद्दल जर आपण त्याची पिटाई केली तर शिक्षा आपल्यालाच होईल. कायदा आपले खाजगी जीवन नियंत्रित करू शकत नाही. नेहमी जशास तसे धोरण योग्य नाही. सभ्यपणे मॅनर्सने वागणे हा एक शिष्टाचार आहे. कृपया म्हणण्याचा किंवा धन्यवाद म्हणण्याच्या शब्दात सभ्यतेची व सहकार्याची देवाणघेवाण केल्यास सर्वांना सुखी व शांत जीवन जगता येईल. एखाद्याने लात मारली तर झालेली वेदना लात खाणारा विसरून जाईल, पण त्याला आत्मसन्मान दुखावेल असे आपण बोलतोच तर त्यास सहन होणार नाही. असभ्यता हा दुर्गुण फार संसर्गजन्य आहे, व्हायरल आहे. तसेच शालीनता हा गुणसुद्धा संसर्गजन्य आहे. पेराल तसं उगवेल हा निसर्ग नियम आहे. The writer A.G. Gardner is giving another incident or example of the bus conductor who was quite generous. Actually, the job of a bus conductor is very trying profession. They are perfect specimen of polite behavior. Happened one day, our writer happened to meet a bus conductor. He was traveling by a bus and he found that he had no money in his pocket to buy a ticket. He felt embarrassed and wanted to get down, but the bus conductor was so polite and requested him not to get down. The bus conductor gave him ticket for the place he was going to. He told him to pay back when they meet next time. One day, the same conductor trampled on the writer's toe. The conductor apologized for it. The writer was hurt, but he did not mind it. Whenever the author boarded his bus, he was very much pleased by his good nature. He had a great patience. He had a gift of making his passengers comfortable. With old people, he behaved like a son, and with the little children, he behaved like a father. He would indulge in a merry jest with the young people. If there was some blind man in the bus, he would take him safely across the road. His civility, good nature, and kindness infected his passengers also. They were not only happy with him but learned a lesson of courtesy and manners. Thus, good manners are also as infectious as bad manners. लेखकाने हा जो दुसरा प्रसंग सांगितलेला आहे एका बस कंडक्टरच्या सौजन्याचं उदाहरण त्याने दिलेलं आहे. वास्तविक बस कंडक्टरचा व्यवसाय फार कसोटीचा असतो. काही जण हा व्यवसाय फार चांगल्या प्रकारे सांभाळतात. ती त्यांची समाजसेवाच म्हणावी. काहींना मात्र असे वाटते की बसमधील प्रवास केवळ कंडक्टरला त्रास देण्यासाठीच असतो, पण ही सदोष दृष्टी आहे. आणि म्हणून बस कंडक्टरचा एकदा आपले लेखक त्या बसमध्ये गेलेले असताना त्यांच्याकडे बसचे पैसे नव्हते, तिकिटाचे पैसे नव्हते, आणि म्हणून तिकिटापुरते पैसे नसल्यामुळे त्यांनी कंडक्टरला सांगितलं की मला बसमधून उतरून द्या. पण तो कंडक्टर म्हणाला, तुम्ही खाली उतरू नका, मी तुमचे पैसे देतो, आणि त्याने तिकीट दिले. हा कंडक्टर समजदार, नम्र व सुस्वभावी होता. प्रवासात तो लहान मुलांचे मनोरंजन करीत असे, तरुणांशी हास्यविनोद करीत असे. म्हातारे आणि आंधळे प्रवासी असतील तर त्यांना बसमधून उतरण्यास व रस्ता पार करण्यास मदत करीत असे. अशा प्रकारे मदत करावी असा काही कायदा नव्हता, पण तो त्याच्यातला चांगुलपणा होता. अशा प्रकारे ह्या निबंधातून आपले लेखक गुड मॅनर्स कसे वापरले गेले पाहिजेत समाजामध्ये याबद्दलचं आपलं मत व्यक्त करतो आहे. The writer says that war had bad effect on everyday civilities. We must get back to them. But law cannot govern our social civility. It can protect us only against physical attacks. We cannot get back civilities by following the lipsman method either. We can take revenge on rude persons by behaving with them politely. आणि अशा प्रकारे आपण पोलाइटली वागलं पाहिजे, आपण गुड मॅनर्सचा वापर केला पाहिजे याबद्दलचा ह्या निबंधामधून, प्रस्तुत निबंधामधून लेखकाने एक प्रकारचा प्रकाशझोत टाकलेला आहे. यानंतर ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आपण कमिंग पिरियडला पाहू. थँक्यू.